Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay student, today is our lecture number 3 that is based on the topic Who has seen the wind, chapter number 19. Okay, open your book, go to page number 129. Here is a poem for you. First of all, we will learn that who wrote this poem. Christina Rossetti has written this poem. Okay, so Christina Georgina Rossetti, 1830 birth year and 1894 death year, was a gifted English poet. She lived a quiet and religious life. Her poems deal with religious theme. She wrote many religious prose. She also wrote nursery rhymes, okay, rhymes for nursery class or Montessori level. So I am going to read this poem. You have to listen me carefully. Take out your pencil also and underline the word you feel difficult. Okay, wherever you feel difficult, you have to underline it. At the end, I will tell you the underlined word. Okay, so put your finger on the first line. Who has seen the wind? Shall we start the reading? Okay. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. O wind, why do you never rest? Wandering, whistling to and fro, bringing rain out of the west, from the dim north, bringing snow. Okay, student, this is the reading of your poem, Who Has Seen the Wind. Now, underline the word trembling, then underline the word in the last paragraph, wandering, whistling, bringing. Okay, these are the difficult words that you have to write as a dictation word on your notebook. Okay, so moving to the next, on book page number 129, same page, pick out rhyming words used in the poem. Do you know what are the rhyming words? That have the same sounds, okay, that have the same sound effect at the end of a line in a poetry. Okay, so here a rhyming word: trembling, passing. Okay, then wandering, whistling, bringing, these all are the rhyming words. You have to write all these rhyming words on your notebook. Okay, you have to prepare your notebook neatly and nicely. Put date, day, classwork, and then draw a margin line. And after drawing a margin line, you have to write topic: Who has seen the wind, chapter 19. And then you have to write activity comprehension exercise, page 129. Okay, so your next task is answer these questions. Here are four answers given, you have to answer them. Okay, first question is, can anyone see the wind? No, anyone cannot see the wind. Okay, so your second question is, how do we know that the wind is present? We know that the wind is present when the tree bow down their heads. Here the head will word head will come. Okay, so your next question is, which wind bring rain? The wind from the west bring rain. Okay, so here's the question number 4. What is the theme of the poem? Okay, theme is the main idea or the point of view of the writer on which he writes a poem. Okay, so the theme of this poem is sublimity of nature. Okay, man and the natural world and amazement are the major themes are underlined in this poem. The speaker experiences the sublimity of wind and project this perceptions of natural objects that respond to unseen wind. Okay, student, this is the main theme of your poem, Who Has Seen the Wind. Now, what you have to do, you have to draw a scenery to show the wind is present and blowing. You have to make a scenery and take it a picture, and you have to send it to me. Okay. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.